Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to hide like on Instagram by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your Instagram application and make sure that you are already logged in with your account. And whenever you already open your Instagram, now you need to jump from home sections into your profile section. In this profile section, you need to go into these three straight lines right here and go click this setting as privacy. And in this settings and privacy, you just need to scrolling down until you go in what you see. And now you just need to go click counts here, and you just need to turn in on this button until it's changed the color. So here you go, we already got the hide, like, and share counts active, so the like count will be hidden. So that's the way how to hide like on an Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.